Welcome back to my channel, Big Bentronics. Today I'm going to show you um, how to calibrate the JJRC drone. Initially, we had some issues with the drone. We had to contact the manufacturer, the seller. I could not provide a good solution, so we just took time to figure it out. So what we're going to do today is to try to calibrate the drone before you fly it. You observe I've labeled the remote control. So if you are new to flying, I would advise you do this so that you don't crash your drone. Just pick a paper tape, label so that you it will be easy for you to be able to fly the drone when you are indoor or outdoor. So I think that is one of the beautiful things you get with my channel that you don't find in other channels. I try to teach you based on the fact that I want to assume that you were not aware about the drone activity. So I don't want to assume. So that is why, as a teacher, I need to make sure that you are able to learn step by step. So if you are a newbie, you have not flown a drone before, please just take a paper tape, label it so that you know, okay, this goes up, the drone comes down, this turns the drone left, this turns the drone right. These also takes the drone forward, this is left, this is right, and of course this is backward, so you can practice one after the other without trying to look for manual to know which button controls which. Then this is your one key takeoff, also your one key landing. So if you want to land, you take off, land with this. If you want to take off, you take off with this. So let's get back to the calibration. So the first thing we're going to do is turn on the camera, sorry, the power supply of the drone. That is okay. So we have that on, and then the next thing you want to do is turn on the power switch. All right, so that is on too. So if you want to calibrate the if you want to calibrate the drone, the rule is you can see the drone light is flashing, so you need to let me bring this closer for you to see. So you need to do like this, so you can hear the beeping sound. The light has stopped flashing, so which means the drone is ready for calibration. So when you crash, or sometimes when you or if you're taking up for the first time, it's actually advisable you do calibrate the drone. So we actually so there are two ways to calibrating the drone. You need to turn horizontal, and also you need to turn vertically. So let me take this away to have more space so we can focus on this. For the first calibration technique, you want to make it horizontal. And how do you do that? Just keep turning this drone around the center point. Make sure you have a balanced surface. Keep turning. Once it gets to a stage, oh wow, see the green light is on, so which means the horizontal calibration is completed. The next calibration you have is the vertical calibration. So the manual will advise you to do this, but I observe that when you do this, you find the camera trying to struggle for life. But of course, it should still work. Wow. Some things I've left here that I'm not aware of. This is totally bad. So let's do this. So for once you do that, you move again. You keep moving gently in a circle, keep moving, so you can see. So once you get that beep sound, it shows that you have completed the calibration. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you the next video on how to start flying the drone in subsequent videos. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Yes.